Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Merc Reacts. I'm Merc, and today I'm going to be checking out Red Hot Chili Peppers' Aeroplane. I've done a lot of their songs, but this one's looks different, but who knows? It may be very similar to the others. Let's go ahead and try this thing out and see how it goes. Here we go.
Sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Pleasure spike with pain. That mother always spiked with pain. Looking in my own eyes, hey Lord, I can find the love I want. Someone better slap me before I start to rust, before I start to decompose. Looking in my rearview mirror, looking in my rearview mirror, I can make it disappear. I can make it disappear, have no fear. I like pleasure spiked with pain, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Somber sweet.
Okay, so pleasure spiked with pain. Music is my aeroplane. So I guess he gets high on music. Life is pleasure and pain mixed. You know, it is. And he kind of alluded to that when he said this always spiked with pain. Good and bad. Yeah, so the video is weird. It's got all kinds of weird choreography going on in the background with the suits and the gold lame suits and the girls and the swimming. What do you call that? Choreographed swimming. I forget what it's called. Anyway, so you got that happening, and the music is different, man. It's like it comes in and it's light and fluffy, and then all of a sudden it's like funk with the bass, and the bassist is going off on it. You know? And then it's rappy, and then it's, I don't know, man. It's Red Hot Chili Peppers. Very unique and interesting. I like it. I'm going to continue. Here we go.
Sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane.
Synchronized.
That mother always spiked with pain. Sitting in my kitchen, hey girl, I'm turning into dust again. My melancholy baby, the star of Mazzy must push her voice inside of me. I'm overcoming gravity. I'm overcoming gravity. It's easy when you're sad to be. It's easy when you're sad. Sad like me. I like pleasure spiked with pain, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Somber, sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Pleasure spiked with pain. Just one note can make me float away. One note from the song she wrote put me where I lay. Just one note can make me choke. One note that's not a lie. Just one note could cut my throat. One note could make me die. I like pleasure spiked with pain, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane.
All right, so I think that's mostly just a really fun song. That was a good groovy song, so I like it.
Known for
I have started liking Red Hot Chili Peppers a pretty good amount. I mean, they're not my favorites, but they're like number 4, 3, 4, somewhere along there. As far as bands go, I like Metallica, Megadeth, and I like Queen. Oh my goodness, and Korn. I don't know. They're up there. They're in the grouping. They're in the top group. That was good. Hey guys, like, share, subscribe, hit the post notifications so you know when I drop something new, and send requests, and I'll try to do them. I keep trying. It's getting harder and harder to keep up with the comments. At least I'm still looking at them and reading them. Sometimes you might get a response, sometimes you won't. I am trying to like everyone so that I can keep it. It at least helps me keep up with what I've read. So, all right, guys. Until next time. Peace.